As a coach or consultant, your website is your virtual doorway to success, and it's crucial to make a powerful first impression. I know the temptation to save money by DIYing your website or using pre-made templates is strong, but trust me when I say that there is a hidden cost lurking beneath the surface of a DIY website for coaches. If you're new here, I'm Moriah, the founder and creative director of Moriah Riona Branding, where my mission is to empower female coaches and online entrepreneurs with luxury branding. And on this channel, I teach you how to build your brand, boost your online authority, and grow your audience so you have the confidence to charge your worth and cultivate a thriving business and a life you love. And if you want to learn more about positioning yourself as the go-to authority in your industry, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Today, I'm sharing the real cost of a DIY website so you can avoid wasting your money, energy, and time on scrap together solutions. I'll also share the specific areas in your branding where investing in a professional is well worth it. Luxury branding, the hidden cost of a DIY website for coaches. While DIY projects can be fun, your life coach website isn't one to take lightly. Let's explore the pitfalls of a DIY approach and understand why it might not be the best choice. Hidden cost number 1, losing leads. Imagine a potential client lands on your website. They're excited to learn more about your services, but they're met with a confusing layout, outdated visuals, and a lack of clarity. Yikes! First impressions matter, and a poorly designed website can cost you valuable clients. We don't want that. Your website needs to radiate professionalism and value, creating a positive user experience that makes visitors eager to work with you. Hidden cost number 2, missing out on dream clients. Your dream clients are out there waiting to discover the unique value you bring to the table. But if your website fails to resonate with them, you're missing out on golden opportunities. Building a website that truly speaks to your ideal audience requires understanding their needs, preferences, and pain points. By crafting a seamless user journey that guides them toward your desired action, you can attract those dream clients who align perfectly with your vision. Frankly, that's kind of impossible to achieve without hiring a professional. If you're serious about drawing in and converting more high-ticket clients, you've got to jump off the DIY train. So let me hear it in the comments. Type "no more DIY" if you're really serious about elevating your coaching business. Investing in professional luxury branding and website design is the key to unlocking your coaching business's true potential. When your website looks and feels luxurious, it positions you as a premium service provider. It gives the potential clients the confidence to invest in your services because they can see the value you offer right from the first click. Remember, perception matters in the online world, and a professionally designed website has the power to elevate your brand, attract higher paying clients, and open doors to exciting opportunities. Investing in professional branding and website design is not just about aesthetics. It's a strategic move to set yourself apart from the crowd, establish your authority, and command higher prices. By making this investment, you demonstrate your commitment to providing an exceptional experience for your clients. The importance of investing in professional luxury branding for your life coach website. Imagine building a house without a solid foundation. Now, you wouldn't do that, right? It might look beautiful initially, but over time, cracks would appear. It wouldn't withstand the test of time. The same principle applies to your website. To create a successful online presence, you need a strong foundation. You need a strategic approach that aligns your branding, messaging, and user experience. And that requires the expertise of a professional luxury brand expert. Your website is more than just a collection of web pages. It's an opportunity to tell your brand story, establish your unique identity, and connect with your target audience. When your website is off, everything about your brand and your offer feels off to your visitors too. They won't feel like they can trust you. And when they don't trust you, they don't buy. Investing in professional luxury branding and website design sets the stage for success. It ensures every aspect of your website aligns seamlessly with your brand values and goals. Our team of luxury branding and website design experts achieve this for our clients by guiding them through this process. Step 1, develop a solid brand strategy. To begin, it's crucial to start with a solid strategy. This is where we define your target audience, the specific group of people you want to serve and connect with. We learn their needs, their challenges, and desires. This knowledge will help us convey the right message to the right people, and it helps us position you as the authority for that specific audience. Hit that like button if you'd like to be recognized as the expert you truly are. Step 2, design your brand. Once we have a solid brand strategy in place, it's time to bring your brand to life through captivating design. This step is where the magic truly happens, as we create a visual identity that reflects your brand's essence and resonates with your target audience. My team and I will work closely with you to develop a unique and memorable brand identity. This includes your logo. We design a stunning logo that embodies your brand's personality and captures its essence in a single mark. Color palette. My team creates a custom color palette that evokes the right emotions and aligns with your brand values. Typography. Your fonts play a crucial role in creating a cohesive and professional look for your brand. Our experts carefully select fonts that enhance your brand's voice and ensure readability across different platforms and devices. Every design element is meticulously crafted to create a consistent visual experience. We dive deep to infuse your brand with meaning and purpose. Each design choice is intentional and aligned with your brand's story, values, and target audience. Step 3, design your luxury website. With a solid brand strategy and a stunning brand identity in place, it's time to translate that into an equally impressive luxury website. Your website is the storefront for your online business, and it needs to captivate your audience from the moment they land on your homepage. So we carefully select imagery, fonts, and layout elements that align with your brand identity and create a visually stunning experience. But your website doesn't just need to be pretty, it needs to operate as a lead generating machine. That's why the best luxury website design approach is centered on the user. My team and I are dedicated to creating a website that not only looks beautiful, but also functions flawlessly. Choosing a professional luxury branding approach is like hiring an architect to design your dream house. We understand the importance of structural integrity, aesthetics, and functionality. Investing in a professional ensures that your website not only looks stunning, but also reflects the essence of your brand and effortlessly attracts your ideal clients for you. Why you shouldn't skip the branding process. This entire process is critical to your online success, but so many coaches are skipping over it. I often see obvious DIY websites where a coach has built one simply because she thinks she needs a website. But from the looks of her site, it's clear she wasn't considering why she needs a site. A well-designed website should have a clear user journey that gets them to take one obvious next step. That step could be as simple as book a free call or sign up now. Visitors to your website should feel an instant connection and understanding of who you are and what you offer. So decide on the one action you want your ideal client to take and make sure your website is designed to get them to take that action. Each aspect of your website should guide your visitor seamlessly through their journey, from the moment they land on your homepage to the point of conversion. At Moriah Riona Branding, we make sure every element is carefully curated to evoke the desired emotions and actions. Here's how we achieve this in our studio. For our luxury brand leader clients, we create a wireframe where we map out all the web pages, the critical elements on each page, and the intended journey for the user. We do this long before we ever start designing the site or even thinking about the words on the page. This is to ensure that we're building a site that actually converts. See why it's so important to invest in professional luxury branding and website design? Your top-notch website will demonstrate your dedication to excellence. It shows that you value quality and are willing to go the extra mile to provide an exceptional experience. In short, luxury branding sets you apart as the leader in your industry and attracts clients who are willing to invest in the best. The importance of investing in professional copywriting for your life coach website. A visually stunning website will catch your visitors' eyes for sure, but if the words on the page fall flat, they won't feel motivated to take action. So bring on the word magic, known in the marketing world as copy. Trust me, good copy is worth the investment. Professional copywriting is the secret ingredient that brings your messaging to life. What if your website copy is poorly written? You know, hashed out at midnight after pounding 3 cups of coffee? Bad copy raises doubts in the minds of your visitors, leaving them questioning your expertise and credibility. But a professionally crafted website builds trust and positions you as an industry expert. With the right words, you can transform your website visitors into enthusiastic, loyal clients. We know how important it is to have the perfect design and perfect words, and that's why we include professional copywriting with our website design in our comprehensive Luxury Brand Leader program. A strong brand message will inspire confidence in potential clients, and that makes them more likely to choose your services. We already talked about the hidden costs of a DIY website for coaches, but here's the real cost. DIY websites look cheap. It's really as simple as that. We've all heard the saying, you get what you pay for. And when it comes to your website, this couldn't be more true. Your website serves as a window into your business, giving potential clients a glimpse of the value and quality you offer. If you want your business to be perceived as premium, your website needs to reflect that image. DIY websites lack the polish and finesse of professionally designed sites. While DIY platforms and templates have made it easier than ever for anyone to create a website, they often fall short in terms of customization and originality. These cookie cutter designs can make your website look generic, unprofessional, and yes, cheap. Think about it from the perspective of your potential clients. When they visit your website, they're looking for cues that prove your expertise, credibility, and the quality of your services. A poorly designed website can leave a negative impression and may even lead visitors to question the value you provide. On the other hand, investing in professional branding and website design is a game changer. It allows you to have a website that exudes sophistication, elegance, and professionalism. A professionally designed website not only captures attention, but also communicates a sense of trust, quality, and a premium experience. Our client Mandy made the choice to invest in luxury branding and website design with my studio, and her results have been pretty extraordinary. See what she has to say for yourself.
Having my brand be pulled together helps me remember what I'm offering my clients and who I am, my professionalism that I'm bringing to the table, because I'm backed up by Moriah seeing that in me. I definitely feel more confident handing out my card to people and saying, yeah, just go to my website, and knowing I don't have to sell myself in that moment. Look, I'm gonna get choked up again. I don't have to sell myself. I know I don't have to sell myself. The website will do it for me.
Pretty amazing, huh? Now, Mandy will never feel the real cost of a DIY website, and neither will you. You may think you're saving yourself money by DIYing your website, but it actually ends up costing you so much more. The truth is, if you want to be expensive, you have to look expensive. That's why we build luxury brands for our clients. And here are 2 ways I'm going to help you do just that. First, you'll want to enroll in my free course, 5-Figure Clients, and discover the secrets to building a rewarding coaching business, the kind with a wait list of high-ticket clients. Inside the course, you'll learn how to create a high-ticket offer and position yourself as the leader in your industry. Get instant access to this free course by clicking the link below. But if you're looking for the fastest way to transform your brand, I invite you to apply for my exclusive luxury branding and website design program, luxury brand leader. Fill out the application today and experience a total brand transformation in just 90 days. Imagine having a team of coaching brand experts by your side, guiding you every step of the way toward becoming unforgettable, irresistible, and in demand. Just click the link below to apply. If you liked this video, I know you'll love this one too. You'll learn how to be a leader in your niche so you can charge a premium for your expertise. And for even more on branding and building a luxury website for coaches, click the button down below to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.